A big wave advisory issued after a magnitude 7.2 earthquake struck off the coast of Alaska late Saturday has issued. The earthquake hit offshore about 55 miles southwest from Sandpoint, Alaska at a depth of 13 on Saturday around 10:48 p.m. local.
More earthquakes.
In some CCTV footage of Alaska residents, it can be seen that some of their furniture was shaken violently. In fact, all of a sudden, Alaskan residents ran out of their homes because the high waves warning continued to echo. A quake prompted a brief big wave warning for parts of Alaska near Aleutian Island, extending from Unimak Pass to Kennedy Extreme. The center's earlier update had been advisory urged locals near the coast to move off the beach and out of harbors and marinas. In a brief big wave warning before the advisory, weather officials held list time spanning about 90 minutes when big waves were expected to hit ashore from Chickney Bay to Unimak Pass. The Alaska Volcano Observatory provided a threat of notice from Aleutian volcano after it sent up a plume of ash earlier Saturday, according to a social media post.